Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 24th of November, 2022. We're here to talk about Chiliz today and try to figure out where is a buy point. At what price should one come in and purchase this particular cryptocurrency? Because you guys can see that price has fallen since I came through and created this price prediction. Look at this. And that video was produced on November the 19th. So not that long ago. I was predicting that the price in Chiliz was going to go down. That's 19.25% in less than a day. That's one of the hardest things about predicting prices, is that the time frame is the issue. If I could tell you with precision how soon the price is going to move, I wouldn't even be on YouTube, because it'd be so easy for us to come in and dominate these cryptocurrency markets. It happened real fast on this particular play. In some cases it take weeks, in others it take months just for us to get to that price prediction play out. So 19.25% in one day. If it were to get out the market right now in Chiliz, again, that's 29%. So now let's get to it, because you guys can see I've already created a couple lines here on the chart. So I'm not necessarily surprised to see Chiliz not break above 28 cents. So we are still in a uptrend, but the market is coming back down to an area that we needed to see tested, and that's 16 cents. This 16-cent area is where the buyers need to confirm to us that they're still willing to purchase Chiliz. It's just that simple. Like, we shouldn't even be considering buying the market in Chiliz until we see the buyers buy up Chiliz. Now look at this. So we ran up, had a very substantial movement higher in Chiliz, hit our head at 28 cents, came back down, ran back up to 28, got rejected again, came back down, ran back up to 28, got rejected again, and now we're coming right back down to an area that we need to see the buyers. Okay, that's just that. It's just that simple. Nothing more, nothing less. So looking at this on a 2-day chart, you guys can pretty much see that we may see buyers come into the market in Chiliz way before that ascending line, before that trend line gets tested, right? So these are the two areas that we need to see the market buyers come in. The first one, it already happened on this last 2-day price bar. It already happened. So that's a pretty good indication that we're still seeing buyers entering the market in Chiliz, but it doesn't mean that it's over. And that price level is around 16, maybe 17 cents. My second area for us to see buyers, like I said, is around 16. Look at this on the 3-day chart. Okay. So when you look at this from this viewpoint, from this vantage point, this 28-cent area is going to be massive for us to even look for a new bull market in Chiliz. The times that price has gotten rejected here in Chiliz is monumental. So whenever price comes back up to this 28-cent level, we need to consider that it's going to take, for one, a very wide spread bar that breaks that 28-cent level to the upside, and then two, volume has to come in to actually break that area, because that's a massive area of sell pressure that's coming to the market in Chiliz right there. Okay, so now looking at this on the 5-day chart, I'm here to say again that this last 5-day price bar gives me pause to say that we have found the bottom in Chiliz. Like, that is massively weak right there. The only thing that could catch the price and stop it from falling is, like I said, 16 cents. Okay, but that's scary to see that 5-day price bar there. So now here it is on the weekly. So from a 5-day time frame, even from a weekly price chart, that is a lot of weakness that's still being seen. So I'm going to play more weakness into the market in Chiliz, but I've already identified some areas that we can actually profit from the move to the downside without overextending ourselves. Okay, so now we're going to look for price to go lower, but these two lines down here at the bottom is going to be my price targets initially. So that first one's around like 17 cents. That's 4.70%. My second one's around 16 cents. That's 9.63, because that takes us back to that trend line. That's going to be also important for the buyers to confirm that they're willing to purchase Chiliz there. Now, outside of 16 cents, then we would definitely increase our stance on how weak the market is in Chiliz, because the market will look like this. So we're coming down now to test Chiliz on the 16-cent area. So we might get a couple of days where the market holds, but once we break it, then we will increase the weakness in Chiliz. You may see the market run down to 15, all the way down to 14 cents. Okay, so that's going to be my third price target. Okay, now I'm not necessarily looking for that to happen as of now, but I want us just to be prepared. Definitely look for those two other price targets, 17 cents and then 16 cents, for the market to try to find the buyers. They may show up, they may not. It's just part of where the opportunity lies. This is a probability based business, meaning that when you come in and look at these cryptocurrencies, it's only on a probabilistic basis. Nobody can be for certain. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this here on the chart now for Chiliz, and we're going to play a little bit of weakness. Now I want you all to tell me, leave me a comment and tell me your price prediction into the market in Chiliz. Where do you think price is going to go? Where do you think the buyers are going to show up? What are your probabilities of us looking for price to continue to go down? Hit the like button to the video, also subscribe to the channel. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always,